Stop there! My friend, come on, calm down. Look at this small boy.
Young man, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Am I your mate? Who are you?
I saw what happened. Let me settle these things.
You saw what happened. You did not saw the water on the floor. Like your head is using Tiger battery.
I'm sorry for what happened.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Am I your mate?
Do you know what you are dealing with?
What are you dealing with? Who are you?
It's a minor issue. Let me take care of these things.
Oh, it's a minor issue. My friend, area. Hey. This vehicle, we are setting it ablaze.
I'm a tactical man.
What tactical? What do you tactical? Tactical. You tactical.
How much is this thing? Let me pay for the damages.
I bought this shirt 2,000 naira and I'm wearing it to an event.
Let me give it to you.
Give me this shirt. Give me the shirt. Give me. School pretend. Run. Mommy, please, daddy, please. Yeah, please.
Let me finish it.
Young man, uncle, please don't finish it. Don't finish it.
This is what I'm looking for.
You know what I'm not looking for.
Young man, you don't know what you are playing with.
No, please don't finish it, please.
Young man, this is what you are looking for.
I'm sorry.
I'm a tactical man. Let me do this in a tactical manner now. This car come and take care of it for me.